In this video, we'll take a quick look at how to deploy a Google Cloud function for serving recommendations via an AJAX call directly from a client browser. You can download the Python sample cloud function from the GitHub repo listed below. Usually, you want to develop the code in a local environment and then deploy to a GCF once working the way you want it to. See the GCF documentation for more about setting up a development environment for cloud functions. We'll just be deploying some existing code in the Cloud Console, but this can all be done with command line tools and APIs as well. First, create a new Google Cloud function and give it a name. This will be used in the URL path. Select Allow Unauthenticated Invocations, and usually you'll want to require HTTPS as well, and then click Save. Click Runtime Build Connections and Security Settings. Select your service account for making the predict request. This service account needs to have retail viewer access. Click Next. Here we'll set up our runtime environment and upload the code for the cloud function. We're using Python, so we'll select Python 3.7 runtime. For requirements.txt, we'll add Google Cloud Retail, so our function can use the retail client library. Paste your code into the main.py editor window. We have a recommend method, so set that as your entry point. The recommend method takes parameters from the HTTP request, calls the predict API, and formats the response. Click deploy, and within a few minutes you should be able to hit the endpoint directly with an HTTP request.